Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change email address on Gumtree account. If you want to change your email address associated with Gumtree, then the process is quite easy, so let's jump into the video. First of all, open a web browser and go to the URL box and type in gumtree.com and search. Make sure that you're signed into your Gumtree account like you normally do. Once you're in the main home page, go to the upper right corner and click on the menu button. Now, click on My Details from the pop-up. Right next to Contact Details, click the Edit button. Now, click on the Change button. Now, go ahead and erase your current email and then type in a new email address you are trying to change to in the text box. Click Change Primary and you will now need to verify your new email by checking your email inbox. Open the email from gumtree.com to verify your new email and then click on the link provided inside your mail. Soon after you do that, you will be able to verify your new email address and your email address will be changed. Next time you sign into Gumtree, you will now need to enter the new email address and the password associated with your account and click login. And that is how you will be able to change your email on Gumtree in just a couple of minutes. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.